Hey everybody, this is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors, and today I'm showing you this beautiful 2015 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn that we've got. We had this truck a few years ago and sold it and just recently got it back, and it is in just as good, if not better shape than it was when it left us the first time. With that being said, obviously you see the lift and the rims on it. These are 24-inch polished wheels, and we just polished them again, so they are standing tall in excellent shape. Deep offset in them, so they stand out just a touch. There's no rubbing, no scraping, no problems with them. They ride good, nice and quiet, handle well. And of course, the adjustable rough country lift in it. And as you can see, zero rust on this truck. This is not a northern truck, so there's no worries of any rust issues. Frame and body are perfect. The paint is in excellent condition. No major scratches or dings in it. 11-year-old vehicle. I do have new headlights coming for it. I just wanted to go ahead and get this video and get it out there to you guys. It does have the power running boards, and of course that gorgeous peanut butter Longhorn interior. (2015) with only 73,000 miles on it. Of course, that 5.7 liter Hemi V8, adjustable pedals. 73,039 miles on it. Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Navigation, of course, Bluetooth. Yeah, you know, I've got my phone hooked up to it. I've been driving it. Now that we've got it all cleaned up, I probably won't be driving it a whole lot anymore, but I've had the opportunity to check it out, make sure that everything works like it's supposed to. Shut that down first. And power sunroof. See that passenger side in great condition. So minimal wear on this driver's seat. Not terrible at all, again, for 2015, and of course such low miles on it. It should be in good shape. Holding that up. There we go. And of course these fold over. You need that extra storage. This has the nice tonneau cover, and then of course, as you can see here, the Ram box. Backup camera, nice tailgate assist so it doesn't slam down. Tri-folding tonneau cover, tow package. This thing is really sharp. Runs and drives perfect. Rides great, handles great. Of course, plenty of room for the kids in the back. Owner's manuals. Super nice truck. But we've got it right here. Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. We can help arrange for shipping and delivery if needed. Even pick you up from the airport. So come on in, check us out, check this truck out. Give me a call, text directly, 757-676-4444. Glad to answer any questions, take additional pictures, videos, however I can help you. Appreciate you watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.